fixed power supply is an electrical power source that provides a constant stable output voltage regardless of variations in the input voltage or load conditions. It is commonly used to power devices or circuits that require a steady voltage for proper operation. The output voltage remains stable even if the input voltage or load changes. A variable power supply is a type of power supply that allows the user to adjust the output voltage or supplies, ideal for testing and powering a wide variety of electronic circuits and devices. Unlike fixed power supplies, which provide a constant, non-adjustable output, the LM338 is an adjustable voltage regulator that can be used to supply a stable output voltage from a wide input voltage range. It is widely used in power supply applications for providing precise and adjustable output voltages. A variable power supply gives the user control over the voltage and sometimes the current that is delivered to the load.